Basically, we're not free as we think we are. I've always felt that way deep down, like knowing everything they do isn't right. Once my son was born, I was like, okay, it's really time to make the transition and protect myself and him as well. The process, everything seems to be going pretty smooth. I mean, you guys handle the majority of it, and the stuff that we do need to take care of ourselves, you guys give us the step by step on how to do those things. So it's been a easy and good learning experience for myself. I've actually recommended you guys to, I want to say, over 15 people already. This is all I talk about. So I'm in the process of getting everything done. And every time I see my friends, this is all I talk about. You guys need to do this, start this, reach out to the freedom people, and let's get this going.